Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your Etsy shop with Facebook ads in 2023. Facebook ads can be a powerful tool to expand your reach, drive traffic to your Etsy store, and increase sales. So today, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to effectively use Facebook ads to promote your Etsy shop. So make sure to stick by, we'll dive right into it, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first of all, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, we will have to go and start by setting up a Facebook business page for your Etsy shop. A business page provides access to advertising tools and allow you to showcase your products to a broader audience. As an example, go to the URL section, type facebook.com, hit the enter button. If you have an account, make sure to go and log in into your account. If you don't, make sure to simply go and create an account for yourself. I've already done a video on how to do that. You can go and check it out if you don't know how. After that, make sure to go to this left panel, click on pages. After that, make sure to click on create a new page. And of course, on this page, make sure to have it as professional as you can. Setting up a business page will help you a lot. So let's start. For our name, I'm just going to give it a test. For you, make sure to go and give it a name of like your store on Etsy. For the page name, of course, category, I'm just going to type as an example digital creator. As an example, bio, just posting my Etsy products. So of course, don't follow me, don't do this. Make sure to have professional things, professional bio, professional like name, so you will attract like customers. Then simply, I'm just going to click on create a page. Once I do so, as you can see, page names are too broad, are not allowed. So try more specific name. So as an example, Etsy shop tester. Yeah, and click on create a page, and let's see if this is going to be created. So yeah, everything seems okay. So of course, finish up your page. As you can see, you'll have to give your contacts. Starts by your website, phone number, email address, and the location. Which is going to be address, town, city, postcode, hours, no hours available, always open, open and selected hour. You can go and add those details. So simply click on next. On here, you'll have to simply go and add a profile picture, add a cover photo, and you can even add like an action button on your page if you want to. So you'll be able to do that depending on whatever you want. So for me, I'm just going to leave this as it is, and I'm going to click on next. Here, as you can see, you can connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. So people who want to order some of your products can go directly to you to WhatsApp, or you can simply go in the bio. You can go in the enter the link of your Etsy shop so people can click on it and do everything from there. So for me, I'm just going to click on skip here. You can add friends later to help grow your page. Clicking on next, you can simply enable those two options or disable them depending on whatever you want. So as you can see, turn on this feature to help you make most of your page, and you can change them at any time. So page notification on your profile. Don't miss updates about your page while you are switched into your normal profile. In marketing and promotional emails about your page. So find out more about meta products and service. This may help make this page a success. You can turn it on or turn it off. For me, I'm just going to turn it off and click on next or done. And here we are. We will find our page right away here. So simply, we can take a tour our page, or I'm just going to click on not now because I don't want to. And as you can see here, you'll be able to promote your page on Facebook. So if you click on promote, let's just click on that and let's just wait for the page until it loads. As you can see here, you'll be able to choose the ad type. And of course, before of even promoting our page, make sure to publish or post all your products or your Etsy products on the Facebook page. After that, once you do so, then you'll be able to, or you will have to go and create your ads. Go and promote your page, which is normally providing or promoting your Etsy shop. And here, as you can see, you will have get started automatic ads or create a new ad. So Get personalized ad that's just over time to help you get a better result, or make an ad using like text, photos, or videos to promote your business. Depending on whatever suits you, of course, you'll find yourself here. So I'm just going to click on create an ad, normal ad here. And as you can see from here, we'll simply have to go, and the goal should it be automatic, or you can change it. And here, as you can see, the media, I have just one, which is the page. For you, make sure to go and add like you'll be able to add 5 of your products if you post more than 5. And of course, as you can see, you'll be able to, as you can see, accounts reached, it's going to be from 4.7 to 13.6, and the replies will be from 14 to 41. And as you can see, the total budget is going to be 35. So you can edit all of that. As you can see, if you add more money, you'll be able to reach more people, as you can see from here. So depending on your budgets, that's depending on your budgets, you can even go with $1 per day, which will cost you $7, and you will reach those people. So depending on your budgets, you can simply go and promote your Facebook page that includes all your Etsy products. As you can see, you can promote it to Messenger. You can connect your Instagram and Facebook as a messaging app, so people can message you if you want to. And as you can see, you can even enable this option, which is special ad category. So ads about credits, employment, house, and social issues, and elections and or policies. And once you're done with everything that you want, you can scroll down here with more information about this and fill all the things that you need depending on whatever suits you. Then simply enter your payment method here, then click on promote now. Once you do so, you will be promoting your Facebook page, which is normally going to be your Etsy shop. You can even, as an example, use the business account .facebook. So go to business.facebook.com, and here make sure to go and create ads for your page or even for your products on Etsy. You'll be able even to do so from here. Go to ads, and from here you'll be able to create ads from here, and from here you'll be able to see the insights of the ads, what works for you the best. You can go and make the other ads as it is, and of course, so depending on whatever you have. And even at the last, of course, make sure to monitor your ad frequency. So keep an eye on frequency to avoid ad fatigue. So high ad frequency may lead to this decreased engagement. So consider refreshing your ad creative regularly. And that's going to be it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've completed this full tutorial on how to promote your Etsy shop with Facebook ads in 2023. By following these steps and leveraging Facebook powerful and advertising platform, you can attract new customers, boost sales, and grow your Etsy business. Remember to stay creative, monitor your ad performance, and adapt your strategies based on data you gather. So happy promoting and best of luck with your Etsy shop success on Facebook. And I'll see you in the next video.